Hey everybody, welcome on to the Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited to have you all here. I'm really excited. We've made it to week 4, so we're over halfway through the course. A lot of great things to talk about, and we're going to get into actually talking about our course project this week, and it's going to be a lot of work. But don't worry, I'm going to help you out with a bunch of examples and setups through lecture. It's going to really help you out, so don't worry. We'll definitely get a look at it. So this week, we're actually going to focus on the third and fourth types of response types, which is technical and persuasion. And we'll deal with technical in lecture, and technical just deals with visuals that are built so that they bring positive responses for technical features in visual aspect. So that we'll talk about that a little bit. And when we did talk about it a little bit when it comes to that from week 1. So we did cover a little bit of that, but now we're going to get into it a little bit more. And we're also going to talk about emotional communication and how it ties into mood setting colors, mood setting lightings, persuasive communication, uh, position of search options, so much more. And so there's a lot of things that we can do with emotional communication. And I figured we'd talk about persuasive images and how they play a part in emotional responses. So and how they work with color. So yeah, so this week we're definitely going to talk about how persuasive communication triggers with emotional responses. And pretty much overall, the goal is to convince or deter someone or some group to a certain choice. And there's a lot of people that use a lot of different persuasive techniques. Politicians, businesses, doctors, lawyers, teachers, pretty much anyone that wants to convince somebody or wants to pretty much tell someone this is the way to go about it or this is something you need. It's just pretty much to convince or to get that person's trust in that aspect you're trying to throw out there. So that's what persuasion is, and it really ties into a lot of emotional and visual elements, and it's really crucial, especially with like culture. And it's kind of funny when you look at visuals, especially with like marketing visuals, because they're all marketing visuals are nothing but persuasion, right? They're all persuasion techniques. And if you take a look at it, if you ever look at anything visual, it's split up into 2 main demographics right off the bat. So no matter what type of visual it is, if it has the goal is to persuade somebody, it's going to focus on 2 main demographics. It's going to focus on age and it's going to focus on activity, like what you're doing and how old you are. For example, if you take a look at these 2 images to the right, we have the older couple right here, a lot of blues and greens, relaxing, and then these fun words to talk about. Now is your time to relax, time to enjoy yourself, and time to visit the places that you want to visit. And this is all about going on vacation in your elder years and seeing the places that you've always wanted to see. And that's what this one's focused on. In the bottom right over here, so obviously the activity for the top one is going out, vacation, and then it's an older demographic, obviously based through there. Then also in the bottom right, we have a more confident advertisement with Bud Light. Big, bold white letters, black and golds all over the place, just really stand out, confident colors. And it puts Bud Light in replacement of fun. And they have a bunch of younger people right here. I also think this is targeted to younger audience, but maybe more toward men since it's only 1 guy versus 4 girls. And maybe it's just something to tell you. It's like, hey, if you're a guy, drink Bud Light, all the girls will come for you. It's a possibility. That is a thing. Visuals are built like that. They hit their target audience. So it's no matter what, it's definitely toward a younger audience, but maybe more toward men, in my opinion. However, I love how they replaced the visual Bud Light with the word from the word fun. So that way you're just remember, are we having Bud Light yet? Are we having fun yet? And that's what it's all about. Going out, socializing, younger crowd, that's for sure. So yeah, so these are 2 images that focus on age and activity, very straightforward. Now, that's just an intro into persuasion a little bit and how it ties into emotional communication. We'll talk more about that on lecture on Tuesday, so that way everything should be good. But this is a good time to take a look at your course project, see what you got coming up. That's a big thing. Oh, wow, just that messed up real quick. So, yeah, so this is a big thing to really take a look at your course project. Take a look at everything. Look at the requirements. Look at the rubrics. I just posted the rubrics. So this week, we're going to be doing the outline. We're not going to be doing the full paper. So it's going to be like topic sentences in an outline format, building a thesis statement. And that's what's really going to be huge. So the rubric is attached for the outline. Please take a look at the project assignment on Module 4's assignment. Please take a look at the instructions. Please take a look at every single element about it, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be choosing a website, a professional website to analyze all the web pages, and you're going to find visuals in that website that trigger those response types that you want to analyze. And that's what you want to do. And I'm looking for at least 2 response types per each section for sensory, perceptual, technical, emotional, and ethical to focus on. And there's a list of them with the project assignment and how it looks, also in the rubrics as well. So please take a look at the rubrics. Please take a look at the assignment. We will go over it during lecture, and I will provide examples of what I'm looking for, so that way you have them ready to go. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody for Tuesday. Do keep in mind that you have your discussion post, your initial post is due on Tuesday, and that's it. So that's all we got. So we'll just get into this week and really hit the ground running on that course project. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy, my friends. I hope everybody has a great week, and yeah, definitely enjoy.